Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest and most enjoyable way. No pressure, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times. That's all it takes to start learning naturally and effectively. Today's video is about a sport that has become a global phenomenon, basketball, and more specifically, the NBA, the National Basketball Association. How did a sport invented in a school gym in the United States go on to capture the attention of the entire world? Let's explore the incredible story of how basketball and the NBA took over the planet. Basketball was invented in 1891 by Dr. James Naismith, a Canadian physical education teacher working in Massachusetts. He wanted to create an indoor game to keep his students active during the winter. With a soccer ball and two peach baskets, basketball was born. No one could have imagined that this simple game would one day become one of the biggest sports on earth. The NBA was founded in 1946, and at first, it was just one of many sports leagues in the U.S. But everything changed in the 1980s and 1990s with the rise of superstars like Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, and most famously, Michael Jordan. Jordan wasn't just a great player. He became a global icon, a symbol of athletic excellence, and the face of the NBA around the world. Thanks to international broadcasting, merchandise, and global tours, the NBA started to grow its audience far beyond the United States. Today, NBA games are watched in over 200 countries, and the league features players from all around the globe, including Africa, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. The NBA's success isn't just about the game itself. It's also about the culture, the fashion, the music, and the personalities of the players. Basketball has become part of hip-hop, streetwear, and even social media trends. Players like LeBron James, Stephen Curry, and Giannis Antetokounmpo are not only athletes, they're global celebrities. In many countries, young people grow up dreaming of playing in the NBA. Basketball courts appear in neighborhoods everywhere, and the game teaches more than just sports. It teaches discipline, teamwork, and confidence. So how did the NBA take over the world? By combining talent, storytelling, and a global mindset. And it continues to grow, proving that a game with two hoops and a ball can connect people across languages, cultures, and continents. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning how basketball became a global phenomenon through the NBA, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the video feedback, an essential part of mastering both English and American culture. Please like and share the video to help us keep growing and creating amazing content for you. See you in the next adventure.